I'm going to show you guys how to change your door card lights on your Gen 1 Mazda 6. This goes for all models, and it's very easy to do, and it also is a big quality of life update for these older Mazdas. So first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to open our car door, and this goes for passenger and driver. As you can tell, this is our door card light. This door card light usually likes to fail, and it's very tricky if you just look at it like this on how to take it apart. And to do it, you just grab the housing from underneath and simply push forward. And that's it. This whole housing comes off, and then we can set this down. This is a simple bulb. Here's the number above your screen, and it is a simple change. To change it, you simply pull out the LED and put in another one. To reverse the process, get the piece of plastic we just took off, and you're going to want to line it up with the holes on your door card, and you're just going to push in. This also goes for the passenger side, which I'll show you guys right now. Pull it off, change bulb, get the piece of plastic, line it up, like so, clip in. That's it. But that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and take it easy.